In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can enable two-step verification on your Twitter account. Enabling two-step authentication on Twitter adds an extra layer of security by requiring a verification code in addition to your password. This significantly reduces the risk of unauthorized access, protecting your account from potential hacks or breaches. To do this, simply head into your X account. On your home page, tap on your profile icon to head into your settings and privacy. On the settings page, select on this second option of security and account access. Head into the security option right here. On this page, select on two-factor authentication. There are 3 different options on how you can verify to add an extra layer of security to your Twitter account. Sending you a text message is my favorite and reliable method. Turn it on, enter your password to verify. A code will be sent to the number you used while opening up this account. Enter the code to turn on the two-step authentication on. Even if someone has your account password, they must have to enter in the verification code sent to your number to access your account. That's how easy it is to turn on two-factor authentication on your X account. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.